Would you like to join to one of our Diddy parties next weekend?
Oh, there we go. You know what I'm saying? Yo.
Howdy.
Up. I'm not. Up. Oh, you. Damn, Skip. I'm not trying to be one of them other pedophiles. I ain't gonna lie to you. How old are you, ma'am?
Why?
How old are you?
Why?
I'm not trying to be a pedophile, so
15.
have a good day, ma'am. Oh yeah, see, this why I shouldn't really get on the. The fuck? This why I shouldn't get on this app, bro. Yo, what's good, gang?
Yeah.
You cool?
Something like that. A black guy just told me to spit in his asshole, so it's like.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Wait, hold on. Wait.
No,
What?
like, I'm not. A black guy just told me to spit in his asshole. I swear to God.
Would you do it?
The guy was from the Bronx too.
Hold on. Would you do it though? Oh, hold on, bro. You taking too. Hold on, bro. You taking too long. You taking too long. You taking a little too long, bro.
No.
Oh, woo! All right, bro. Okay. You got it. I see you look to little Scoom in the back. That's your. I see.
You know who that is?
Yeah. That's my cousin.
You know he died, right?
Oh yeah, R.I.P. man. Yeah, I know he died.
You don't know who Lil Scoom is.
That's my cousin on my auntie sister side. What you talking about?
He's dead.
Have a good day, bro. He ain't had to say that, bro. Why?
Yo, hold up. Don't skip my ass, bro. Hold on, let me tell you something.
What you finna do, bro?
No, I'm just gonna tell you. Maybe I'll send you an invite if you would like.
Huh?
Would you like to join to one of our Diddy parties next weekend?
Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Hey, run for your life. Hey, run for your life.
Hold on, bro. What? Diddy party.
Yeah, you should have been there last weekend, bro, but you missed. So next weekend you wanna pull up or what?
I can pull up for real?
I'll send the coordinates. Yeah, I'm gonna send you the coordinates and everything.
Wait, where at? Wait, what state? What state?
Actually, it's on the island, bro. So, you need to tell me what state you at, right? And I'm gonna send a little heli to you,
Ooh.
and then.
Oh, I've been waiting to go
you
to.
don't have to worry about nothing.
I ain't lie, I've been waiting to skip, nigga. You think I'm gonna go to a Diddy party, nigga? No. A Diddy party is crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Is this called Jeff? Bro, Jeff. He look like a Jeffrey too. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Look like a. Yeah, man. What the fuck? Skip that nigga. I know.
Yo, look up real quick.
Look up.
Look up.
Nigga, I'm a nigga. I got an Adam's apple. What are you talking about?
No, like that. Just look up.
He on some goofy stuff. I ain't finna play with bro. I'm not even finna play. Come on, look up. Nigga, look up for what? And why am I getting straight niggas? I don't understand this. Like, niggas is crazy. Oh, finally.
No, I'm not doing.
What the hell?
Get off here. Yo.
What's good, gang?
Hey, you want to stream game?
Nah. Chill. I'm just the rapper. I rap for real, you know?
Nah, nigga. It like your ass hoop on me. All that shit in the back. It like you be hooping?
Oh yeah, I could have went to the NBA, but I tore my ACL type shit. I really not like on some real stuff. I really, you know what I'm saying? I would really like. Hold on, let me show you. Like, you know what I'm saying? I could have.
Hey, ooh, jab.
You know what I'm saying? Stop playing with me.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Respectfully, I will do your shit on the court.
Oh!
No Diddy?
Hey, no Diddy, bro. See, bro? Fix your fucking mind. Fix your mind.
Nah, bro, you said I do your what? Hold on, bro. Like, what?
No, bro. Fix your mind. No, bro. Fix your mind. I'm talking about on the court, but I'll do your shit for you.
I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I'm streaming, and somebody said, "Why your face crooked?"
Ask them why they dick sucking.
Nah, nah, bro.
Bitches he ever did on my soul. What the fuck?
Damn.
But no, though, it's cool though. You know, I ain't even gonna act like that on your shit, gang.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Moral of the story, bro. You can't beat me in basketball. That's the moral, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That's the moral of the story, gang. Niggas say they can beat me in basketball. Come on now. Come on now. Deep buff. I stop lagging or something. I don't even know if I'm lagging. Nigga say he can beat me in basketball. Come on, like nigga. I could have really been like the next Michael Jordan, LeBron James on some. You know what I'm saying? I'm sick of niggas. I'm sick of.
Hey, hold on, I got.
Dang, bro, why it take so long to skip? I'm sick of niggas. I'm getting straight niggas, bro. Why? I'm finna hop on the game, bro. I'm finna dead serious hop on the game. Like, I'm getting straight. Oh my god, bro. Where's the huss at? Where's the huss?
That was just weird as hell. Oh my god.
Nigga like one of them pedophiles. Chill out, fool. Nah, bro. Hop on. Nah, you want me to hop on Grindr for real?
They were so freaking beautiful.
Yo.
They were.
Damn, what I do? I must be an ugly type. I must be an ugly nigga. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, how old are you?
16.
I'm off this game. Oh, this is not that for me, bro. Hop on Grindr? I'm gonna hop on Grindr then. Okay. I'm gonna hop on Grindr.